Jersey City Medical Center has had a long history of an outstanding orthopedic program here, serving Jersey City and Hudson County. Now, with the addition of Kale Orthopedics as part of Jersey City Medical Center and an additional investment in robotic surgery, that pushes the envelope to a whole new different level. These are exciting times in Hudson County and at Jersey City Medical Center. Our orthopedic program, which is already outstanding, is now getting the addition of the best of the best. Kale Orthopedic Center, now in partnership with RWJ Barnabas Health and here at Jersey City Medical Center, doing the most advanced robotic surgery there is. No longer one has to travel across the Hudson to New York City or anywhere else for that matter to receive the best. It's right here with a specially trained team of nurses and physical therapists and everyone who supports the outstanding surgeons of Kale Orthopedics.
So the real advantage of the MAKO arm is that we're able to do the surgery before we actually do the surgery. So it allows us to plan the procedure, choose the correct implants. It allows us to adjust the rotation and the position of the implants within 1 millimeter increments. So rather than guessing or using extramedullary guides or eyeballing it, we're able to be very, very precise with these implants.
So what's your ACL? Alright. Pulling the trigger, flip the gun over. And then squeeze the trigger on the gun. Okay. So you're gonna bring up the pros on the nail stand.
Oh, can we play music?
Sure. What kind of music do you want?